Giveaway for this watch face. We got two for the US, 3 for Canada, and then we got 2 for the UK. So make sure you comment in the comment section down below so you can be eligible to win a free watch face. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got another awesome watch face to check out by SMB. You like his last one, I'm quite sure you're going to like this one too as well. Now, the name of the watch face is called Animated Saturno, right? Very nice looking watch face. And always on mode though, you're going to get a traditional analog look, considering that you get digital when the watch face is on. I thought that was very nice, right? Now if you look at the watch face, you got Saturn, you got the ring going around it. It looks just like it, right? And it's animated. I thought it was a very nice look. Also down at the bottom, you will get your digital time, you will get your battery percentage, and you will get your month and your date. Now what I do like is that I could change this to be the Gears 2, the Gears 3, the Gears Sport. I thought it was very nice. Double tap and it changes. I thought it was very cool, you all. Listen, hit me in the comment section below. I would like to know your thoughts on this one. I'm thinking this is definitely an awesome, unique look. All right, you all, don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.